So welcome back. This is Rajeshwari. Now today our class is about finding the value of irrational number. So in the last class, previous sessions, we discussed about it. What is rational number and what is an irrational number. So in a rational number, and we found the terminating and non-terminating also. So now how to find the value of an irrational number by the long division method. So what is the division method? How we can able to find an easy way and how to remember it, how to solve the value of an irrational number. Let us see with an example. Okay, right. So what is that? What is the value of an irrational number? Right. How to find an irrational number? So let us take one example, that is find the value of under root of 3 up to 3 decimal places. So 3 decimal places we can able to find. So up to 3 decimal places. So here what is an irrational number? Root 3 is an irrational number. So to find the root 3 irrational number value, so let us going to find the division method. So for that, first let you take 3 and so 3 after decimal point. The next pair of zeros. So how many? We said 3 decimal places. So if we said 4 decimal places, let you take the 4 pair of zeros. If we said 5 decimal places, let you take 5 pair of zeros. So first we have to take 3. After 3 decimal places, so we have to take every one pair of zero. So we have to take 3 pair of zeros, because we said that 3 decimal places. We are going to find up to 3 decimal places. Okay, right. So now the first step, very important. Step 1 is very important because it is the beginning and it is very important. Okay. So what is the first step is? So 3 before what is the perfect square? 3 before what is a perfect square? Perfect squares. What do we have perfect square? 1, 4, 9. So 4 is more than 3. So what is before perfect square? 1 is a perfect square. Okay. So now let us take 1 ones are 1. So 1 ones are 1. So 1 ones are 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So this decimal place, let you take it in this place. Okay. Right. Now next take one pair of zeros. So every time we will take them by pair of zeros. Okay. Every time we will take the pair of zeros, because zeros are here paid. Every time we will take only one pair of zeros. So that next first step completed, and coming to the second step, whatever it is in the units place digit, so the same digit should be added. Same digit should be added. So 1, so same digit should be added here. 1 plus 1. So it is becoming as 2. It is becoming as 2. So now let us do. Here answer is 200. Now let us take the box. So what is here? Why we have to take the box? Here also let me take the box. Why I am telling is, here if you take in the 1, so here also 1 means 21 ones are. So if we take in the 2, so 22 twos are. So if we take in the 3, so 23 threes are. So let us take out a nearest value. For example, 21 into 1 and 22 into 2 and 23 into 3 and 24 into 4. So 25 into 5 and 26 into 6 and 27 into 7. So like this we can able to take it. So 21 ones are. 21 ones are how much it is? 21. And 22 twos are, it is 44. And 23 threes are, it is 69. 24 fours are, it is 96. 25 fives are 125. And 26 sixes are. So you can do it up. 6 sixes are 36. And 6 twos are 12 plus 3, so 156. And 27 sevens are 7 sevens are 49. 4 7 twos are 14 plus 4. So 189. So if you take in the 28, it is more than 200. So nearest value is what? 189. So 189 can be taken. What is the value we have today? 27 sevens are. So 27 sevens are. 27 sevens are. What is the answer? 189. 189. So that now next division step. So if you subtract from here, so you will get out 1. And here, and so that it will become 9 minus 8, it is 1. So the next we can take the next pair of zeros. So here now first step we completed, very important, perfect square. First step is very important, that we have to take the perfect square. Then next we can able to continue. Okay, 1 ones are 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So the next pair of zeros 200. Okay, next 27 here. Whatever units place digit number should be added. So plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Now 27. 7s are, it is 189. So that's subtract of this. Then you will get 11. So next pair of zeros as so take it. So the value is becoming as 1100. So now what I said, every step the units place digit should be same. Whatever it is should be added. So 27 plus 7. So it is 34. So 34 again we will take it. Why I am taking the boxes means then there is no confuse. Because here sometimes we will take 25 6s or 25 7s are not like that. The same number, what is the number we are taking, same number should be multiplied. I hope you have understand here procedure, what is that, okay? So 340, so 340 1s are 341, 342 2s are 343 3s are. So let us check 343 3s are. So 343 3s are. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. So 1029. Yes, exactly. It is near to 343 3s are. So same 343 3s are. So what is the answer? 1029. 1029. So let us subtract again here 1. So here 9, here it is 0, 9 minus 2 7, so 0 and 0. So 1. So last next one more pair of 0, it is here 7100. Now next same units place digit, what is here? 3. So 3 should be added. So 3 4 3 plus 3. So it is equal to 3 4 6, and next what is the number we are going to take, right? So what is the number here? 7000. Nearest approximately what we are around 3460. So 3400 and 3400. So almost 6800. So that nearest. So we can multiply and with the 2s are. So same box 2s are. So 2 2s are, it's a 4, 2 6s are 12 1, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, and 2 3s are 6. Okay, so subtract. So it is equal to the 6 and it is equal to the 7. Okay, so 10 minus here 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. So up to here, because we required only 3 decimal places, means the value of under root of 3 is equal to 1.732. So we stopped here up to 3 decimal places, because in the question is asking find the value of under root of 3 up to 3 decimal places. So 3 decimal places is enough for us. Okay, so 9th class 3 decimal, 4 decimal, maximum 5 decimal. Okay, so our same procedure we can able to solve one more step and one more step. Okay, if we said 3 decimal places, take the 3 pair of zeros, 2 means 2 pair of zeros, 5 means 5 pair of zeros. So this is the way to be solve the irrational number value. So value of an irrational number is, okay, we can able to find like this division method. So very important step is first we have to step 1, very important, be careful. So 1 ones are, because here first step we have to take always perfect square. Once after the step we can able to go through our general multiplication here also, and whatever the units place digit must be added. 9 means 9, 5 means 5, 6 means 6. Okay, so 1 plus 1 it is equal to 2. Now the next we have to multiply nearest to the 200, so 2 7. Here the same number should be taken, guys, very important step. So 23 3s are, 24 4s are, 25 5s are. I hope you understand. I gave you here now some numbers. Okay, so multiply like this and find the value of under root of 3. Okay, so let you practice some more numbers, then you understand very well. So I gave you this one. So along with this, so more 2 problems I will give you, then you practice, then you understand. So find the value of under root of 2 up to 3 decimal places, and one more, find the value of under root of 5 up to 5 decimal places. So these 3 problems if you practice, then you understand very well. Okay guys, so I hope you have understand finding the value of irrational number, how to find an irrational number in a division method. Okay, so like this we can able to find any kind of irrational number in this method. Okay.